Is YouTube TV worth it? Let's evaluate. YouTube TV can be worth it depending on your needs. It's a great option for cord cutters who want access to live TV, including sports, news, and popular channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, ESPN, and more, all in one package. It also offers unlimited DVR storage and the ability to stream on multiple devices simultaneously, making it versatile for households. However, at around $75 per month, as of 2023, it's more expensive than many competitors like Hulu plus Live TV or Sling TV. If you primarily watch on-demand content or don't need live TV, services like Netflix, Hulu, or free ad-supported platforms like Pluto TV might be better options. YouTube TV is worth it if you value convenience, live TV, and a broad channel lineup, but make sure it fits your budget and viewing habits before committing. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.